good. Alrighty, guys. We're going to start on number 17 of page 3. Okay. On 17, it says, simplify the following imaginary numbers. Here are your 4 possible answers you can have. A 1, a -1, an I, or a negative I. Those are called imaginary numbers. There's not going to be any others. Those are the only 4 that could possibly be your answer for number 17 through 20. Okay? All right. Take your calculator. Let's look at number 17. I is way down here where the decimal is. See that I? So, I'm going to clear this. So you go second I, housetop, raised to 10 to 21, 1021. Now, you're going to see all that, but you're going to ignore all that has the E to it, okay? So what is the answer to this one? Just I. Okay. I'm going to go to number 19, and then I'll go to 18 in a little bit. So second I raised to the 11th. So what's the answer to that one? Negative I. Everyone see that? Negative I. Okay? So you ignore all the one that has the E. All right. Number 18, same thing. Second I raised to 942. What did you guys get? What's the answer? -1, because we ignored the second half because it's got all the E and stuff, and that I has a -12, so you ignored that one. So the answer is -1. Okay? Number 20, second I raised to the 43. What is that one? Huh? -I. Tricky. She thought it was going to be 1. You did too? Nope, nope. All right. Let's go to number 21. Now, on 21, what you need to know is this. Anytime you have an I square, you need to simplify and make it a -1. Okay? So that's some kind of information that you are going to need. Anytime you see an I square, simplify and make it a -1. You should not have an I square in your answer. All right, 21. You're not going to multiply -4 times 7 because what is right here? A plus. So I'm going to rewrite this. -4 minus 5I plus 7 plus 7I. I just rewrote it without the parentheses. Everyone got that? Now you combine like terms. What do you see that are the same? -4 and 7. What's -4 plus 7? +3. Good. And what's another one you see that's like? -5 plus 7I is +2I. By the way, put it in this form of A plus BI. Your real number first, and then your imaginary, okay? Put that in that form. Number 22. All right. Am I going to multiply 6 times all of that? No, because you have what right there? A plus. So 6 plus 2I, see how there's a plus? Plus 3 plus 4I. So basically you're taking away the parentheses. Now what do you guys see that are the same? 6 and 3. So what is 6 plus 3? 9. And then what do you see? 6I. 2I plus 4I is +6I. Good job. Okay. Any questions? All right. Next page. Number 23. Okay. All right. Now, I'm not multiplying because what's between those? A negative. That's a minus. So I'm going to rewrite -2 plus 6I. What is a negative times a negative? +6. What's a -1 plus 6I plus 6I? Did you guys see how you got rid of the parentheses? Okay, combine your like terms. What are you going to combine? And what is that? -2 plus 6? 4. What is 6i plus 6i? Plus 12i. Don't put them together. One has an I, the other one does not. Okay? Number 24. All right, let's look at the whole problem. What do you guys see between each one of these? Plus and minuses, right? Here we go. So negative 4 plus 6. What's a positive times a negative? Negative. What's a positive times a positive 7i? Plus 7i. Now what do you see that I could put together? Very good. Negative 4 plus 6 minus 3. What is that? Negative 1. And then what do you have? Plus 7i. Good. You guys are doing so good. Good job. Same term, okay? It's good? You're doing so good. All right. Do you get to use this on your test? Yeah, so if you need to make little notes, make sure you do. Am I going to have some English on there? Yes. Make sure you understand that, okay? All right, number 25. Now, you guys see that square? That square means how many of these do you have? 2. So this is the same as negative 3 minus 2i times negative 3 minus 2i. That's what that means, okay? All right. What is between here? Multiply. That's not adding or subtracting. This is where you go negative 3 times all of that. Isn't that right? Okay. And then what do? You take negative 2i times all of that. You guys see that? All right. I got parentheses, so what do? There's a number right outside. Distribute, which is the same as multiply. Negative times negative is positive 9. Negative 3 times negative 2i is plus 6i. Negative 2i times negative 3 is plus 6i. Negative 2i times negative 2i is plus 4i squared. You guys see that square? All right. That's a negative 1. So what is 4 times negative 1? Negative 4. See how I just changed it to negative 4? It's always the opposite. Okay? Now what do you guys see that looks alike that you can put together?
9.
Very good. So what's 9 minus 4? 5. What is 6i plus 6i? 12i. Very good. Good job, guys. Any questions? All right. Let's go ahead and try the next one. Number 26. 3 minus I times 3 minus I. Correct? Okay. Take the 3 times the next group. I'm putting those together. Minus I. 3 minus I times 3 minus I. What do I do next? Distribute. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times negative I is negative 3I. Okay. I times positive 3 is negative 3I. And I times I is positive I squared. Do you guys see something I can change? That becomes a negative 1. Good. All right. So now what do you have? What are you going to put together? Very good. What's 9 minus 1? 8. Negative 3i minus 3i is, and it's an a plus bi form. Awesome. You guys are doing so good. All right. 27. Let's go to number 27. Okay. Oh, look, this one's already done for you, right?
Yeah.
So all you got to do is distribute. Oops, sorry. So negative 7 times negative 4 minus 2i. See how I keep that together? Plus I times negative 4 minus 2i. And what was the big word you guys kept using? Distribute, right? Negative 7 times negative 4 is 28. Negative 7 times negative 2i is not negative. positive 14i. I times negative 4 is negative 4i. And I times negative 2i is negative 2i squared. Let's go ahead and change something. What do you guys want to change? Very good. Becomes a plus 2. You're so smart. All right. Now we go 28 plus 2. What? 30. Okay. What is 14i minus 4i? Plus 10i. Don't forget that I. 28. Let's continue. We're almost done. You guys are doing good. So negative 6 times negative 4 minus 4i. I won't put that many on your test. This is practice. This is why you have a lot, okay? But on your test, I won't give you that many. Minus 8i times negative 4 minus 4i. Oops, sorry. Why don't you guys tell me? Okay. Let me see. What do? Multiply, distribute. So negative times negative is positive 24. Negative 6 times negative 4i is positive 24i. Negative 8i times negative 4 is positive 32i. Negative 8i times negative 4i is positive 32i squared. Alrighty, let's take care of it. We make this what number? Negative 32. Okay. So what is 24 minus 32? Negative what? Negative 8. What is 24i plus 32i? 56. Just 56? 56i. Good job, guys. Okay.